You search how to buy shares of Schloss Wachenheim AG. Schloss Wachenheim AG is a German beverage company known for sparkling wines and bottled drinks. It trades on Xetra under the ticker SWA.DE. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SWA.DE. Locate the Schloss Wachenheim AG listing and confirm the market shows Xetra to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Check the company name, Xetra market, and ticker SWA.DE again to confirm this is the right share. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, and review the order details. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase can be confirmed. Once filled, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more information, check the description below.